Come on. Well, it's Friday already. Some people that didn't have power this week, but that didn't come this far down. People had not power, so just people like Sana couple from lightning strikes and they now, I guess, does it go into the hotel? And so they people are now it's probably Santa just wait until everything gets better. So it's now down where everyone don't have power. It's gonna be maybe still not with power for a while. It's like 100 miles from here. Wildfires, retinol, the best species in the United States. But and it's like people, the Hawaiians are evacuating. You know, they had to like make sure they go somewhere safe. So now they are somewhere, guess, safe. So and like a lot of that would it be happening here, but the good thing to like be prepared for, even if don't know it's gonna happen. So that said, I hopefully Hawaii can prepare soon and not still be on flames. That was today's film. That send off with Junior. See you guys later.